Hidon's not awake.
Why do you want Hidon? You know Hidon always puts blood in his food, right?
That's why I like it.
Yeah, you're not putting it in my cookies.
Making cookies? You promised.
When did I promise?
Last night.
Show me a video of how I promised. Or a written down signature.
We were too busy.
That's a fraud. I love my... Payne has the keys.
Go get them.
Payne has the keys.
Well, I want my cookies. Get down here already. Took you like what, 45 minutes to make me cookies to get the cheese actually? Women.
Never wake Payne.
Why are you still like Hidon's cookies? What? Why are you still like Hidon's cookies?
What? I'm not doing anything.
That's Hidon's cookbook. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It has blood stains all over it. Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
You want cookies or not?
You make me cookies and stop arguing with me. You're a woman.
Oh, by the way, what kind of peanut butter cookies, right?
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip, woman.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate.
What?
What
Peanut
are
butter.
you doing here?
What the heck? Where'd you come from?
Why are you here? Get out. Hit the road. Get out. Whatever. Go.
Wait, let's let...
Let me
Yeah,
get throwing gun. Ow.
Let's let you be the deciding vote.
Ow.
Peanut butter or chocolate chip? Yay! See? The unloved, unwanted Jinchuriki that never got any, that never gets any sleep is with me. So yeah, I win.
Get out. Magic your shouting gun. Okay, so make me chocolate chip.
No. Here's the deciding vote.
Uh,
Here's the deciding vote.
Jeez.
Half a cup or a full cup of soybeans you want.
Those are much better.
Here's the thing. You took the full Badger half of that.
Who's eating them?
Me, you, pretty much the entire Akatsuki.
Okay, pull that.
That's a small bowl, and it's disgusting. Ow! Maybe Herb, she wakes up on time.
I doubt it. She'll be out for 2 days. Ow!
Sure about that?
Positive.
Shortening.
We're not supposed to be laughing.
She might be a masochist. That's my view. Why she's laughing.
I mean, like, Hidon, I tried using that on him. Ugh.
Oh God! Never use it in a public room with him ever
Did you not hear
again.
him yelling and screaming when he came out? Oh, God.
screaming either.
No.
That's the kind of screaming I do when
I don't want to know.
yeah. I don't think we...
Meow. Meow. Meow.
He's got a cat.
Meow.
What?
Meow, meow.
Sugar!
Nom, 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 nom. What should we do about the body?
Just leave it there for now. Or you can drag it off.
I will get that. And definitely don't need to get that.
No, you can't get that.
But I want that to eat him.
No, you can't.
I
I'm
know.
not allowing you to, and I'm co-leader of the Institute.
Oh, shut up. Pen's clone leader. He obviously doesn't have enough balls to the entire country by himself.
Okay.
Jeez, how much does this guy eat? We've been here for 3 hours. Almost there. How much longer? Almost.
Where is it? Oh.
Okay, we've been through 5 arguments in 3 hours.
7.
Okay, 7. I won them.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Do you want cookies?
Why are you doing that? You don't need oil for peanut butter cookies
Really?
because they have enough oil from the peanuts.
Nah. That shows how smart I am. Oh, then. Different times anyway. There's one bigger than the other.
Okay, bring this thing.
Alright.
Clean up.
Go!
Time for cleanup.
Okay.
Come help.
Fine. Okay.
Alright. Bye. Say bye. Say bye to the viewers.
Never argue with a woman. It will hurt you.
Goodbye.
I got this spoonful of peanut butter.
This is Femgara. She took off her makeup.
Sorry, it was bugging. And I'm Conan. For today. Alright. Jenny!